आज गणेश चतुर्थी का पहला दिन है और जूम के ऑफिस हैं गणपति बप्पा और हमारे साथ हैं इलियाना डिक्रूज जो हमारे साथ पहला दिन सेलिब्रेट करने आई हैं। इलियाना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू जूम एंड थैंक यू फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस फेस्टिवल विद अस।
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी। थैंक यू सो मच।
और इससे पहले कभी आपने गणपति या गणेश चतुर्थी कोई फेस्टिवल पंडाल में गई हैं बॉम्बे में?
Well, actually, yes. I used to stay in Mahim before, and in our locality, we had lots of Maharashtrians staying there, a lot of Koli people staying there. So they really used to celebrate it, like with get big speakers, lots of music. But the best part was I used to get those little modak laddus. So when I was very small, I didn't know the whole meaning of Ganesh Chaturthi and what it is like and what the festival is about. But I remember I used to go to their house and sit there and look at the idol, and they would give me a laddu. So I still get those little laddus from there all the time, and even the other ones that they steam, the coconut ones. So those are really fond memories of Ganesh Chaturthi for me. We don't really celebrate it as much in our house, but I look forward to the sweets.
Absolutely. चलिए और बातचीत करने से पहले थोड़ी सी गणेश जी की पूजा हो जाए। अगर आपको हम थोड़ा सा और एक चीज़ बता दें, गणपति के जब बैठाते हैं हम तो उनके कान में कुछ विश बोलनी चाहिए जो फुलफिल होती है, ऐसे हमने सुना है। तो अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे उनके
But I won't tell you what it is.
Of course, it does. Fulfill नहीं होती है फिर of course. So if you want, you can always tell a wish. Yes.
Yes, hoping.
But I'll still ask you if you can give us a sneak peek to.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. I want my wish to be fulfilled. After it's fulfilled, I can tell you.
After 20th of September, we'll know. Okay. Before we wrap up this thing, do you like going out, visiting pandals and seeing कि कैसा चलता है, क्या है, गणेश उत्सव कैसे मनाते हैं? ये बहुत तरीकों से मनाते हैं बॉम्बे में। तो do you like visiting pandals or something like that?
जी, मेरे लिए it's a very new sort of experience, I think. So yeah, it's quite interesting to go and see it, and I've never been exposed to something like that. So it's good to experience different traditions, different cultures, different sort of sentiments and religions. So for me it's really great. I find it very calming, and it's a nice experience, and I'd love to. I've only experienced it in my neighbor's house, so maybe. And this was beautiful. Thank you for this. I've never really done an aarti before, so this is really great. Thank you for making me do that.
तो एक लास्ट बिल्कुल बॉम्बे स्टाइल में जैसे गणपति बप्पा मोरिया बोलते हैं, कैमरे में सबके लिए बोल दीजिए गणपति बप्पा मोरिया जोर से।
गणपति बप्पा मोरिया।